Hi friends and family, and welcome back to another unboxing. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, and on this channel we do beauty and makeup subscription unboxings, mystery unboxings, and clothing hauls. I will put a link to my playlist for the clothing hauls because this is something new that I've started, and it is going to be a series because I just overspent all my money and all my time, and yeah, so why not make it a series and it'll be fun, right? Right. All right, so today we are going to be unbagging the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is a $25 a month subscription. You get 5 full-sized items, and you do get to customize 3 of the items, and 2 of the items are randomly selected for you based on your reviews. You do get a bag accompanied with it all the time, which is always nice because these fit very well in your purse. You can use these for a lot of things. Yeah, so let's go ahead and check her out. Alright, so our first item, and of course I love makeup brushes, so this is the first thing we are going to open up here. I don't know, let me see if... Oh yes, you do get a card with this one. However, you do not get a list of your items or the prices because you do get to select several of them, so you don't get those prices. I will have to look them up online, and I will put them somewhere as we go. Thought I'd mention that very quickly. But again, here are the brushes. I do not know how to say the name of this brand, so I will let you guys use your imagination so that I don't butcher it. Plus it's in cursive. Who reads cursive anymore? Okay, I'm joking. Bad joke. I'm in my 40s, so yes, I do know how to read and write cursive. It's just I don't know what that is. Bow something. BG as the initials. But let's go ahead and open them up. We will take a peeky poo at a couple of these. Ooh, very nice. Okay. So they are a little tiny bit flimsy, but they're not a cheap flimsy, so I like that. I'm okay with this. I'm good. This one has a spoolie for the eyebrows, or at least that's what I would use it for. So yeah, very nice quality. I do want to say I think that we have had stronger, sturdier brushes in the past. However, I don't think these are bad by any means. They are very nice and very good quality, but I do sort of see them on the lower spectrum of the brushes we have had in the past. But I am okay with these brushes. I mean, I love brushes. And the fact that you can have so many, it's not gonna make or break the fact that these, something happens to these, you always have more brushes. So that's why I like these guys. So I'm very pleased and happy with that. All right, let's reach in and see what else. What? Okay, I got another set of brushes. I don't remember picking 2 brushes, but that's okay. These ones are Cheyenne B Miami. Maybe I'm not saying that right, but that's all right. Again, I love brushes, so I can't even be mad. I'm just shocked I got 2 in one bag. I'm okay with this. All right, here is what these guys look like. These ones do have the name of the type of brush that they are on them. See, these ones feel a little bit more sturdy. See, you can even see they're not as flimsy as the other ones. These ones feel like a really good brush. Not saying that the other ones weren't. I'm just saying we're giving honest reviews and opinions here. And those ones just seem to not be the best. Well, and I don't even want to say that. I want to take all that back because I still think they were good brushes. But yeah, these are very nice, very pretty. I love like the rose gold coloring and the black brush here. And like I said, they all have the names on the side of them, so like that. Both of these were a 5-set piece, so you can't go wrong with that. That's like You know how I always say double prizes? Well, these are like 10 prizes. Like, what? Holy cow. I wanted to say crap, so my mouth went to say crap, and then I said cow. I know, weird, weird. Okay, this is K Voss Hay Highlighter, I think is how you say this. I will double, triple check as we're going. Yeah, I think it is K Voss. Luminous Highlighter Palette. Highlighters are always good friends to have in your life as long as you don't overdo it. Look at how pretty these are. Oops, my bad. Look at how pretty these colors are. We're gonna swatch those first two and just see what it does on the skin. Oh, very nice. Very nice quality. They have pretty good pigment. This one is a little bit more my skin type or skin tone, so that one didn't show up too well, but still a very good color, very good pigment. Alrighty, we still have two more items in here. Alright, we have RMS Beauty Living Luminizer. So I don't know if the camera will pick this up because it's it's like too bright. Two brights don't make a right. I don't know. Let's open it up and see what it does. Oh, that is a really cute packaging. I hope you can see this. It is really cute. I love that. That's adorable. Living Luminizer. Oh yeah. I don't think the camera is gonna do this any justice. Oh, it's a cream. So you know what? It's really not pigmented at all. Look at that. Like the color, it's darker in the pan. Like I'm really digging in here. Let's see what we can do. All right, I'm gonna put it on here. Yeah, okay, I'm not quite impressed with that, you guys. Like, what? All of that work and it's like a clear chapstick or something. And I was so excited because the packaging was just adorbs. It was so adorable. All right, last is the Honest Beauty Everything Cream Foundation. So I was excited to try this out because I like creams. I like creams makeup. Like I like cream blush, cream highlighters. Those are fun. So I was excited to try. Plus I haven't really tried Honest Beauty's makeup. I've tried their beauty products, but not makeup. Oh, look at this. Okay, so it's a nice little compact with a mirror, and underneath the mirror it comes with this cute little sponge. That's nice, old school. And here is what the palette looks like there. And I hope, yeah, oh yeah, nice. Ooh. Oh, I like that. It does have a nice cream finish to it. Oh yeah, that is my skin tone for sure. You can see that here. Okay, I am all about this. All right, I really like this bag. I know I usually don't have negative things to say. Like my aunt, like I just get so super excited and I try to be positive about everything. And I usually am happy with most stuff. So I am excited about this. So let's do a recap. We got the Honest Beauty Cream Foundation. We got the highlighter palette. We've got the... Now this was something I did not care for. I will play with it a little bit more, but it did not have much pigmentation. So this one a little kind of bummed about, meh. And then we got the two sets of eye brushes. So to me, I'm happy because I got two sets. Like I don't even know how in the world that happened, but I'm super excited about it. I'm not bummed at all. I'm totally, completely happy and satisfied with that. And I am happy with these other 2 items and, you know, and kind of the meh item. But yeah, all in all, great bag. Happy with it. Please consider like, comment, subscribe, hitting the notification bell so that you can get more of these videos. And I will see you in our next video. Have a great evening, friends and family. Good night. Bye.